Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that every car owner needs to know about: the 5 critical signs that your engine might be on its last legs. Your car's engine is its heart. And just like our own hearts, it gives us warning signs when something is seriously wrong. Ignoring these can lead to catastrophic failure, leaving you stranded and facing a repair bill that could be more than the car is worth. So let's get right into the signs you absolutely cannot ignore, starting with what you hear. One of the most alarming sounds your car can make is a loud, rhythmic knocking or banging sound coming from the engine, especially when you accelerate. This isn't just a minor tick. It's a deep, metallic sound that gets faster as your RPMs increase. This is often referred to as rod knock, and it's a huge red flag. What's happening? Inside your engine, the connecting rods link the pistons to the crankshaft. They rely on a thin layer of oil and special bearings to move smoothly. When those bearings wear out or fail due to low oil pressure or poor lubrication, the metal rod starts slamming against the metal crankshaft with immense force. This is an internal engine emergency. The damage is already happening, and if you keep driving, a connecting rod could literally punch a hole through your engine block. If you hear this sound, pull over safely as soon as you can and turn off the engine. Next up, let's talk about what you see coming out of your exhaust pipe. Specifically, thick clouds of blue or grayish-blue smoke. A little white vapor on a cold day is normal, but persistent blue smoke is a clear sign that your engine is burning oil. This happens when the seals inside your engine, like piston rings or valve seals, have worn out. These seals are designed to keep the engine oil in the lower part of the engine, where it lubricates, and out of the combustion chambers, where fuel and air are burned. When they fail, oil leaks past them and gets burned along with the fuel. Not only does this mean you're constantly losing oil, which can lead to engine seizure if it runs dry, but it also coats your spark plugs and catalytic converter in gunk, leading to misfires and expensive exhaust system repairs. It's a sign that the internal components are no longer sealing properly. The third sign is a significant and sudden loss of power. You know how your car normally feels when you press the gas pedal, right? Well, if you suddenly find that your car is struggling to accelerate, can't maintain speed on the highway, or feels sluggish and weak, your engine is crying for help. This loss of power can be caused by a variety of serious issues, but a common one related to engine failure is a loss of compression. Compression is the engine's ability to squeeze the air-fuel mixture in the cylinders before it ignites. It's the source of the engine's power. A loss of compression could be due to a blown head gasket, a cracked cylinder head, or worn-out piston rings, the same culprits that can cause oil burning. It means the engine can't generate the force it needs to run properly, and it's a fundamental problem that won't fix itself. Sign number 4 is one you might find during your regular oil change: seeing metallic shavings or glitter in your used engine oil. When you drain the oil, it should be dark brown or black, but it should be uniform. If you see shiny metallic particles shimmering in the light, that's a very bad sign. These particles are tiny bits of metal that have been ground off from the inside of your engine. They are pieces of your bearings, crankshaft, camshafts, or other critical moving parts. It's a clear indication that there is severe metal-on-metal contact happening somewhere inside your engine, and it is literally grinding itself to death from the inside out. Finding a few microscopic specks might not be a total catastrophe, but if it looks like you've sprinkled glitter into your oil, the engine's internal components are failing rapidly and a complete breakdown is imminent. Finally, let's tie it all together with the 5th sign: multiple warning lights combined with the other symptoms. We're talking about the check engine light, the oil pressure light, and the temperature gauge all going haywire at once. While a single check engine light can mean many things, when it appears alongside a flashing oil pressure light indicating low pressure, and your temperature gauge is spiking into the red, your engine is in a state of crisis. This combination often points to a catastrophic failure, like a blown head gasket, which allows coolant to mix with oil, ruining the oil's lubricating properties and causing the engine to overheat simultaneously. The engine's systems are all failing, and it's trying to warn you in every way it can. So, there you have it. 5 signs you should never ignore. Knocking sounds, blue smoke, loss of power, metal in the oil, and a dashboard lit up like a Christmas tree are all your car's way of telling you that major engine failure is near. The best defense is always proactive maintenance. Regular oil changes with quality oil, keeping an eye on your fluid levels, and listening to the sounds your car makes. Catching problems early can sometimes save you from a complete engine replacement. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more car care tips. Drive safe, and we'll see you in the next one.